Hola amigos, bienvenidos. Today we are going to learn how to use the verb say to identify people and then we'll practice with the verb say. Here is what you should be able to do now. You should be able to say who you are and who other people are. Let's see how. Quien. It is a Spanish word. Quien means who. Let's see how we can use this word and frame questions. Before that, let's review the verb ser. For I am, it's yo soy in Spanish. For you are, it's tú eres. For he is, it's él es. For she is, it's ella es. For we are, it's nosotros somos. For they are, it's ellos son. Though I have covered this verb say in my lesson 1, but I'm recalling it. If you haven't watched the lesson 1, do watch it because there is the basics. So you should know it and then only watch this lesson because if you are directly watching this lesson, then you'll understand nothing. So let's start this session. Preguntas, which means questions. First is, ¿Quién soy yo? ¿Quién soy yo? Which means who am I in English. Next is ¿Quién eres tú? ¿Quién eres tú? Which means who are you? Next is ¿Quién es él? ¿Quién es él? Which means who is he? Next is ¿Quién es ella? ¿Quién es ella? Which means who is she? Next is ¿Quiénes somos nosotros? ¿Quiénes somos nosotros? Which means who are we? Next is ¿Quiénes son ellos? ¿Quiénes son ellos? Which means who are they? Now let's practice. And the first question is ¿Quién eres tú? Which means who are you? Can you answer this question? Because we did it in our last lesson. Can you recall it? If someone asks you ¿Quién eres tú? Who are you? Then what you'll say? I'll give you 10 seconds. So you'll say yo soy plus your name, which means if I say yo soy Lida, then which means I am Lida. So if someone asks you in future, ¿Quién eres tú? Who are you? Then you will say yo soy and your name. Let's move to the next question. ¿Quién es él? ¿Quién es él? Which means who is he? For this question, you'll say él es Shan, which means he is Shan. Let's move to the next question. ¿Quién es ella? ¿Quién es ella? Which means who is she? For this question, you'll say ella es Lida. Ella es Lida, which means she is Lida. Let's see the next question. ¿Quiénes somos nosotros? ¿Quiénes somos nosotros? Which means who are we? For this question, you'll say nosotros somos Lida, Shan y Pablo, which means we are Lida, Shan and Pablo. Let's see the next question. ¿Quiénes son ellos? ¿Quiénes son ellos? Which means who are they? For this question, you'll say ellos son Lida y Shan. Ellos son Lida y Shan, which means they are Lida and Shan. Now answer these questions. This is an exercise for you. Try to solve it and put the answer in the comment section. If you have any doubts, put your doubts also in the comment section. And in my next lesson, I'll tell you the answer of these questions. Now, answers of lesson 1. I hope all of you did it, and these are the answers of lesson 1. So that's all for today. If you like it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and do subscribe my channel. Ciao amigos, hasta pronto.